Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Happy Navratri. Today I am going to show you Navratri special hairstyle. Before that, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like, share and don't forget to press bell button because इससे मुझे पता चलता है आप सबका प्यार मुझे मिल रहा है. चलो let's start. First hairstyle is front puff hairstyle. We will take first section for make puff. Then we will take second section for twist it. Then we will fix it by bobby pins. Same will following for right side also. Second hairstyle is side puff. We will take first section for making puff on left side and then twist it little till that we get good puff. Take another section, twist it little bit and fix it with bobby pins. We always got confused what new hairstyle we can do for festival seasons. So these are two different hairstyles which we can easy to do and quick to make it. A part of it, you get these hairstyle on any of occasion also. So now I am ready for Navratri nights. This makeup credits go to my friend Anjali. Thank you very much Anjali and thank you all to watch this video. Stay well, grow well. Bye bye.